ladies and gentlemen, on the days and off the days, very good evening to all. I am Krishnamoorthy, Additional Secretary from Government of Tamil Nadu, Project Director heading Tamil Nadu Defence Industrial Corridor Project. As you may be aware, Tamil Nadu and UP, these are the two states have been declared by Government of India as nodal as a defence corridor. And Tamil Nadu Industrial Development Corporation, where I am heading as a Project Director, is the nodal agency for development of the defence corridor in Tamil Nadu. And in fact, the chart shows the entire Tamil Nadu, after the announcement, we have divided into 5 broad clusters based on the capabilities. You can see each node they have capable, be it precise manufacturing or fabrication in Trichy, and various manufacturing industries. In fact, Tamil Nadu, one of the leading industrial state in India. And as per our A&D definition by Government of Tamil Nadu, it includes aviation, space and defense. These are all the focus sectors identified by the Tamil Nadu Defence Industrial Corridor: space technology, sensors, radiation, communication, EW, rockets, ammunition. So these are all various components which would be required to support the development of space ecosystem. And many of the speakers, they have mentioned about the interventions required to promote the industry. So in this regard, I would like to highlight our SSLV project coming out in Kulasegarapatnam in Tuticorin. In fact, it is very strategically located in terms of launch. For many people, previous to me, the speakers, they have mentioned the potential of SSLV market, which is right now from 32 billion, expected the forecast of 137 billion by 2030 and all, with the CAGR of 16.4%. And right now about 5,000 satellites are in LEO, another 8,000 satellites are expected shortly. So it requires huge thrust and support to boost the segment. It requires the need for the replacement satellites, need for rocket launches throughout the year in a sustainable manner, in a low cost and high reliable manner. So that is how this SSLV project in Kulasegarapatnam, it is going to play a very vital role. In fact, straight the rocket launching for SSLV market near to equator, and it will launch from eastward direction. This is the best strategic location for launching the small satellites. So not only for upstream of launching vehicles, Tamil Nadu, we have taken a number of steps to boost various interventions, and the results started yielding. In fact, Chennai, the headquarters of Tamil Nadu, it has become the best location for cost of operating in electronics R&D sector in the world. And next comes Penang, Gurgaon, Pune and all. That is as per the latest survey. So what are the advantages of Tamil Nadu? We have more than 300 A&D companies present in there, 5,000 aerospace companies, largest number of industries, ranking first in terms of number of factories, third in terms of FDI flows and whatnot. And that is the number of advantages that is being listed there. What are the adopted strategies to boost the defense corridor in Tamil Nadu? Industrial park, setting up of common facilities, policy intervention. These are all the few factors. From morning also, now also, our speakers pointed out the requirement to boost the industrial ecosystem. In fact, a thematic park. We have a sister agency called SIPCOT, who have created 35,000 acres of land to set up the industries across Tamil Nadu. So among that, we have carved out and we are in the process of creating a different thematic parks. The near to SSLV project in the Thoothukudi, it is marked here for space industry. In fact, we want to set up a space industrial park of 2,500 acres of land. In fact, if you compare the land rate in Bengaluru, it is per acre cost is 3 crore. whereas in Tuticorin, it is just hovering between 10 to 15 lakhs. So it is a very cheap space park available in the vicinity of the Kulasegara facility, which is expected to be commissioned within 2 years. For the SSLV project, of, which will be set up to the tune of about 2,200 acres of land, more than 95 acres of land, Government of Tamil Nadu has already handed over to ISRO, and remaining will be handed over shortly. Along with the development, our space park also will come. For the proposed park, we will set up the common facilities to the tune of more than 250 crores, be it assembly, integration and test facilities, or satellite level thermo-vacuum test facility, EMC, aviation fabrication of test facilities. So this is for satellites, not only for satellites, even for launching vehicle, we will come out with setting up a common facilities to support the industries along with the partnership with the industry. So you are all welcome to join our endeavor. This is the space thematic park, and there is a various park for MRO, dual-use industry, aerospace park, for electronics again. Especially for strategic electronics, we are going to have separate thematic parks, and we have each theme-based parks, we have strategy of supporting with the infrastructure, center of excellence, and various detailed strategy we have carved out, made it. So this is another intervention from Government of Tamil Nadu. Along with the international players, we have created a center of excellence with Dassault system, we have and Siemens, and then GE Aviation. These center of excellence will support the industries for their re-engineering and skilling and various, even additive manufacturing and all the advanced industry 4.0 requirement like AI, IoT and whatnot. It will cover all the advanced manufacturing skills. In fact, about 3 months back, Government of Tamil Nadu launched a non-Mudalvan scheme. It is a massive skilling program targeting at least 10 lakhs of youth to the requirement of Industry 4.0. Apart from targeting the college students, even for IT students, along with the Tata Technology, IT upgradation program we are implementing. So these are all the few interventions which will facilitate the space ecosystem in Tamil Nadu. This is the common facilities I was mentioning, be it surface coating for HAL and various airborne system, or for common foundry, and I was mentioning about space sector facilities. These are all few interventions. And if you take even startup, we have TAN seed program for Tamil Nadu's emergency, Tamil Nadu Emerging Seed Fund, and even TITCO, where I am belonging to. We are known for creating the joint venture by infusing equity and targeting both for investment promotion as well as by infusing equity. And in fact, we have aerospace and defense policy, which will also support the boosting of startups. And our policy is going to shortly come with more sweetener. And these are all various testing centers for EMC, UAV, electronic warfare, electric optics, mechanical, for different clusters across Tamil Nadu. We have strategized, and we are in the process of setting up of these facilities. Again, another strategic intervention from our side. This is the Tamil Nadu industrial policy, where aerospace and defense is the sunrise sector, which have different and specific interventions required for the industry. And this is the aerospace and defense policy, which documents will be available in our stall also, with various kind of incentives, be it capital subsidy or land subsidy or electricity and whatnot. A comprehensive subsidy to support the industry and what are the requirements pointed out our speakers. And this is my last slide. You see, the Kulasegara, any launching station near to equator will be the best launch station in terms of cost and various other strategic. After French Guiana, Tuticorin is going to be the second best spaceport in Tamil Nadu. And what is our stall, Mr. Madhusudanan? What is our stall number here? So all industries, you are all welcome. We have detailed strategy for both upstream and downstream Please come to visit our stall here. Come to Tamil Nadu. Whatever you want in terms of skill, funding, R&D, whatever you want, we will provide. And thanks for the
Thank you very
opportunity
much.
given.